Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. We're here to talk to you about a trade that we just got in. It's a 2017 Boston Whaler 27 Vantage. What an unbelievable boat this is. It does everything very, very well. Inside, outside, you name it, does it well. It's powered by twin 250 Mercs on the back, 4-stroke. Plenty of power for this boat, getting right up on plane and a good top end, closer to 50 miles an hour. High 40s, close to 50. If you're just out for a ride, you've got a very comfortable seat, 3 adults, very comfortable back here. But if you do decide to fish, this folds up, really nice leaning post with rod holders in the back and along the sides. We move over to the little galley prep area here. You got a sink, you get the Yeti cooler that slides out on the tray for easy access and keeps it nicely hidden out of the way when you're not using it. Back over on this side, this seat does everything. You can use it facing this way. It also has a Livewell. So you've got a Livewell that for your bait, also doubles as a cooler. Does them both very, very well. And then the seat will actually go back this way. Now it's comfortable going this way. It lays all the way down, does a great job. Back over at the Helm area, we've got the chart plotter with a VHF, and you also have the joystick on this boat. It does everything very, very well. You can go sideways. You can use the skyhook, locks in position. Also with an auto heading, it's an autopilot. Does that well. So very, very nice feature on this particular boat. As we move over to the head area, very large head. It's got a skylight in there for extra lighting. It's got a shower, a faucet that pulls out for a shower if you want to rinse yourself off. Being at the beach or whatever for the day, and you want to go out, you can get yourself all cleaned up. And as we move to the bow, nice U-shaped seating up here, very comfortable. You can put 5 adults up here, very comfortable. And also, you do have the windlass, which is recessed, so it's out of the way. It also has a place that you can put a beach boarding ladder. If you do decide you want to put a ladder, you can add it on this boat. And it also has the shower to wash the sand off your feet when you come in. And lastly, up on the hard top, you've got a spotlight on there and a Ray Marine. So the boat pretty much has everything you need. If you got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.